Ato nga pong angay mabalian, angay makitaan, angay madunggan, aron nga ma-avoid na to sila. Aron nga, dili ka ma-danger, dili ka mag-disgrasya or
wow.
But there is the good news.
Wow, nice.
It all starts with a warning.
Wow, heart.
But the concern is
nice one.
Amen?
Nice.
Okay, no? Encouraging tayo. While Paul was encouraging,
ay, pag tindog-tindog sky, be a good student. Dito ba? Oh, love you. Heart. Be a good student. Ikaw. Para first honor.
Do not be shaken. Motong ingon ni Paul, come Timothy. Kaya di-warningan na biya siya. So sa iyang pag-warning, concerned kayo si Paul. And so are we today as a church, from the leaders down to the members. Giignan niya si Timothy, do not be
murag-need na gini sila og bag-o nga room, mga igsuon, no? So maluoy punta sa itong mga bata, o gayaka ra gyud in town sa salog. So need ni sila og private room nga nay aircon. Then with tables and chairs. Then murag need po nila diri og dako nga flat screen TV. Mananaw ni sila Dragon Ball.
So warning, false faith followers. Second is do not be shaken. So these are all the consideration, description of Paul speaking about those followers. So it may be followers of the world, followers of Ginoo, so that they have to be one. Amen? Are we all okay? Sometimes, no, the presence of the Lord is so strong. And then we just have to listen sincerely, heartfully, and responsively. Wala, hindi man niya ang pinong mga isoon, buhilot, ang maong ato ang pagtulungan. But sometimes we as a church needs to be shaken. Shaken that we can pursue what the Lord's will for us. Hurting as it is, but God's good news will prevail that His love for us will never be the same. Amen? So be encouraged ang ato ang assignment. If we don't want to be shaken sa maong mga paghitabok karon in our difficulty, fearful, disappointment, discouragement, so let us encourage one with another. 1 Thessalonians 5:11, therefore encourage one with another and